Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most mind-blowing innovations that could soon change how we experience technology: hologram phones. Imagine making a video call where the person appears right in front of you in full 3D, or watching movies and games projected into thin air without a single screen in sight. This is no longer science fiction. Companies are already building holographic display systems that could make flat screens obsolete within the next few years. Stay tuned as we uncover how hologram phones could redefine communication, entertainment, and the smartphone industry itself. Number 5. The rise of 3D communication. The concept of holographic communication has fascinated scientists and engineers for decades. What once seemed like a fantasy from Star Wars is now becoming a reality through breakthroughs in light projection and spatial computing. Modern hologram phones use laser-based imaging and micro-projection systems to create realistic 3D visuals that can be viewed from any angle. No glasses or headsets required. Imagine calling a loved one and seeing a life-size version of them appear right in front of you, moving naturally in real time. This is made possible through depth-sensing cameras and AI-powered image reconstruction that capture and project accurate facial expressions and body movements. Companies like Samsung, Apple, and startups such as Leia Incorporated and Holoxica are investing heavily in this field, competing to launch the first commercially viable hologram smartphones. The future of communication will no longer be limited by flat screens, but will evolve into a lifelike, immersive experience, transforming how we connect with people across the world. Number 4. How hologram phones actually work. At the heart of every hologram phone lies one key innovation: light field projection. Unlike traditional displays that emit flat images, holographic systems use multiple layers of light waves to create 3D illusions that appear suspended in midair. This is achieved through nanoscale optical elements that bend and direct light precisely. Sensors capture depth data, while AI reconstructs a realistic 3D model in milliseconds. Advanced processors then project this model using micro lasers or diffractive light patterns, producing a moving hologram visible from multiple perspectives. Another crucial part of this technology is spatial audio, sound that adapts to your position and distance, creating a fully immersive communication experience. Some prototypes even combine holography with augmented reality, allowing you to interact with digital elements floating in front of you. This integration of optics, AI, and real-time computing marks a revolutionary step in mobile engineering. As chips become faster and projection systems more compact, it's only a matter of time before hologram phones enter the mainstream market, changing forever how we interact with digital content. Number 3. Beyond phones. The ecosystem of holographic tech. The arrival of hologram phones will trigger a ripple effect across multiple industries. Entertainment, education, healthcare, and even retail will evolve around this technology. Imagine attending a virtual concert where your favorite artist performs as a hologram in your living room, or participating in online classes where teachers appear right beside you. Holographic telepresence could also redefine business communication, enabling life-size meetings without travel. In healthcare, surgeons could visualize patient anatomy in 3D before performing an operation, using holographic data streamed directly from mobile devices. Retailers might project lifelike product previews, allowing customers to see and interact with items before buying. The impact on cinema and gaming would be equally massive, merging the digital and physical worlds. As developers start designing apps and media specifically for holographic platforms, we'll move beyond screens entirely, entering a new dimension of interactive content. This shift won't just be about better visuals. It will redefine presence, creativity, and how humans experience reality itself. Number 2. Challenges before mass adoption. While the concept of hologram phones sounds revolutionary, bringing them to everyday consumers remains a massive challenge. The first issue is hardware complexity. Projecting 3D holograms requires precise light control, high processing power, and extremely compact projection modules. Achieving this in a slim smartphone form factor is difficult and expensive. Battery life is another concern, since holographic displays consume far more energy than standard OLED screens. Then comes bandwidth. Streaming real-time 3D video calls requires data speeds far beyond what current networks handle efficiently, although the rollout of 5G and upcoming 6G networks could help solve this. There's also the challenge of content creation. Holographic data needs to be captured in 3D, which demands advanced cameras and massive storage. Finally, affordability will determine adoption speed. Early models might cost thousands of dollars, restricting access to premium markets initially. Despite these hurdles, progress is accelerating fast. Tech companies are finding ways to miniaturize holographic projectors and use AI optimization to reduce power demands. As production scales up, costs will fall, paving the way for hologram phones to become as common as smartphones today. Number 1. The end of screens forever. The introduction of hologram phones could mark the end of traditional displays as we know them. Once holographic projection becomes mainstream, screens might feel outdated, replaced by floating, interactive visuals that adapt to space and movement. Imagine scrolling social media posts mid-air, watching 3D sports highlights on your coffee table, or holding a meeting with virtual colleagues sitting across from you. This seamless integration of digital imagery into physical space represents the next stage of human-computer interaction. As hologram phones mature, they'll merge with other technologies like augmented reality glasses and spatial computing systems, creating a world where physical and digital boundaries vanish completely. The elimination of screens will also mean less dependency on fragile materials, reducing electronic waste and energy consumption. The future will be defined by interaction, not interfaces. In this new era, devices won't just show information, they'll project it, shape it, and let us live within it. Hologram phones are just the beginning of a reality where technology doesn't sit in your hand. It surrounds you. Thanks for watching till the end. The age of hologram phones is closer than we think, and it promises to change how we connect, create, and experience the world. If you enjoyed this exploration into the future of communication, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more incredible tech innovations shaping tomorrow's world.